Hello everyone, welcome to Lecture Box. I am Professor Gala from Finland. And in today's video, we will explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the educational landscape. From personalized learning to AI-driven tutoring, the future of education is changing fast. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It is already reshaping the way students learn and teachers teach. AI-powered tools are making education more accessible, efficient, and personalized. One of the biggest impacts of AI in education is personalized learning. Traditional education follows a one-size-fits-all model, but AI changes that. AI analyzes students' learning patterns. It identifies strengths and weaknesses. It suggests customized lessons to improve learning efficiency. For example, platforms like Duolingo and Khan Academy use AI to tailor lessons based on students' progress. AI-powered tutors are now helping students outside the classroom. Chatbots and virtual assistants like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and IBM Watson can answer questions instantly, explain concepts, and even assist in homework. These AI tutors provide instant feedback, offer 24/7 availability, help students learn at their own pace. But AI is not just for students, it also helps teachers. AI-based grading tools can check assignments, identify plagiarism, and even give feedback. This reduces the teacher's workload and allows them to focus on more interactive teaching. Some schools are already using AI-powered software to analyze students' performance and predict academic success. While AI offers many benefits, there are some concerns. Data privacy. Are students' data safe? Dependency on AI. Will it replace teachers? Bias in AI. Can AI be completely neutral? It is important to balance AI and human interaction to ensure ethical and effective learning. In the coming years, AI will continue to evolve, making education more interactive and engaging. But the role of teachers will always be important in guiding and mentoring students. What do you think about AI in education? Will it improve learning or replace traditional teaching? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video informative, like, share, and subscribe to Lecture Box for more educational content. Until next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.